Are you tired of wrestling with unruly plastic bags cluttering your kitchen cabinets? Say hello to organized bliss with the Youcopia Storabag space-saving plastic bag dispenser. This innovative organizer is designed to streamline your plastic bag storage and make recycling a breeze. Let's delve into why the Storabag dispenser is a game changer for sustainable homes. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Youcopia Storabag space-saving plastic bag dispenser into your kitchen. Compact design with generous capacity. Despite its slim footprint, the Storabag dispenser boasts an impressive capacity and capable of holding up to 40 plastic grocery bags. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to streamlined storage with this space-saving solution. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious home, the Storabag dispenser is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen or pantry. Easy dispensing with spring-loaded platform. Gone are the days of struggling to extract a single plastic bag from a tangled mess. The Storabag dispenser features a convenient spring-loaded platform that makes it a breeze to push in and pull out bags as needed. With just a simple flick of the wrist, you can access a bag with ease, saving you time and frustration in your daily routine. Quick and convenient recycling. When the Storabag dispenser reaches maximum capacity, a handy recycling indicator turns blue, signaling that it's time to unload the bags. The removable lid makes it easy to access the bags and transfer them to your recycling bin, ensuring that you can do your part for the environment with minimal effort. Say goodbye to wasteful plastic bag clutter and hello to eco-friendly living. Sturdy and stable construction. Crafted from high-quality recycled plastic and steel, the Storabag dispenser is built to last. The non-slip base grips the floor securely, preventing any unwanted slipping or sliding. Whether you place it in a pantry, cabinet, under the sink, or closet, you can trust that the storage dispenser will stand firm, keeping your plastic bags neatly organized and easily accessible. In conclusion, the Youcopia Storabag space-saving plastic bag dispenser offers a practical and eco-friendly solution for storing and recycling plastic bags in your home. With its generous capacity, easy dispensing mechanism, convenient recycling features, and sturdy construction, this dispenser is sure to make your life easier and more sustainable. Say goodbye to plastic bag clutter and hello to organized, eco-friendly living with the Storabag dispenser. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.